welcome back to the training. This is John Francis, and this very training is focused on Monetag and Adsterra arbitrage. Arbitrage simply means getting something with a lower price, then selling it out or giving it out for a higher price. All right, for instance, you have a mobile phone, you purchased a mobile phone for $1,000, then you want to sell that mobile phone. You're not going to sell it at the rate of $1,000 again, because you need your profit. You also need to get back your money. All right, so you cannot sell below 1,000. Some persons will end up selling it 1,500. That is arbitrage. And also arbitrage for AdSense and Monetag and also Adsterra is when you get traffic with lower amount of money, then you push this traffic to an ad network website or a direct link or a landing page. So in this very training, I'm going to simply walk you step by step on how everything works. This is going to be a detailed training, and you have to make sure you focus on this. You need to do simply watch this video carefully and jot your questions down. If you have any question, then at the end part of this training, you can simply comment it, then I'm going to answer you and clarify you on that. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the video right away. The first thing you have to understand about Adsterra arbitrage and Monetag arbitrage is that this very ad network, they are not like every other ad network. Some ad network doesn't accept paid traffic, some ad network doesn't accept social media traffic, but this very ad network, they are welcoming you no matter where you're watching from, so long as this particular traffic is not bot traffic. Okay, so long as you are sending quality traffic to your website or your direct link, your account will be in good hand. Okay, so in this very training, I'm going to simply guide you on everything you need to know. So the first section of this very class, we'll be talking about the best ad network for your paid advertisement. Okay, and the next section we're going to be talking about how to fund your ad network. The third section we'll be talking about the best arbitrage ad format, okay, for your arbitrage strategies. All right, so we're going to simply be looking at the direct link and also the display ad. All right, so the next one, we are going to set up our advertisement and campaign. All right, then we're going to be promoting both the Monetag and Adsterra at the same time. With the last but not the least, we're going to simply talk about the advanced strategies on how to monetize and optimize your website. So the first thing you have to do is to head over to your Monetag website, and you need to create your account. All right, as a publisher, remember you can easily register as an advertiser or a publisher, but I would advise you to go for a publisher. Easily come to this section that says either direct link, or you come to this section that says site. Okay, so we're going to simply do that as we proceed. Okay, so once you're done creating your account as a publisher here, then head over to adsterra.com. This is adsterra.com. Then you have to make sure you register your account as well as a publisher. So once your account is registered, make sure you add your website by clicking on this website section, then click on this add website. Then once you click on that, you have to make sure you add your website domain here. Okay, so if you don't have a website, you can easily contact a developer that will do this for you and also monetize your website for you. But if you don't have any developer that you can trust, you have to make sure you hit me on my Telegram channel, or you chat me on WhatsApp, my team are going to build and develop your website for you. Then you select social, then you have to make sure you remove this erotic ad. You can decide to go for it if your website accept that, but I don't really like promoting erotic ad on my website. Okay, then you have to simply select either social or banner. Okay, so we're going to simply talk about this as we proceed. Okay, so all you need to do is simply create your account. Once your account is very set up, all right, then the next thing you're going to do is simply get yourself the best ad network for your paid traffic. Okay, so all you need to do is simply head over to Facebook. We're going to be using Facebook for this. I've already forwarded the video. I've already made a video on the best paid traffic sources. So these paid traffic sources are the best. Okay, so you have to do is simply head over to your Facebook. Then you have to simply come to Facebook Ad Manager. There's what we call Facebook Ad Manager. Just type in admanager.facebook.com. all right, so this particular domain is going to take you to this very section. If you don't have a Facebook account, you can go ahead and create that. Okay, so once you create that, this is where you're going to see, okay, you're going to see this very page. And once these pages are set up, you can see the first one, the meta ad, you can see the second one, the Monetag, and the Adsterra. Okay, so these are the three websites we need. So once this is done, the next thing you're going to do right now is simply first head over to your Monetag. This is your monetag.com right here. Okay, remember we are publishers. We click on this website section, it will load. Okay, remember you need to add your website. Okay, once you add your website, click on this section that says add website URL. Okay, then you have to make sure you add your website URL. So if my team are building this website for you, they're going to simply handle all of this so you don't have to stress yourself again. So all you need to do is simply add your website URL here. Then they're going to simply forward you this very download file. You are going to download this very file, then upload it on your website. Okay, once you upload it there, then you have to make sure you verify your website. And once your website is verified, this is how it's going to look like. Let's go back here. I've already added 2 websites here, and this is how it's going to look like. You can see the status, they are all verified. All right, so once this is done, this is the first stage for Monetag, and the next stage is to come to direct link. All right, so once you come to direct link, this is what you're going to see. You can see I've already created 5 different direct links. Okay, this is 1 2 3 4 5. These are 5 different direct links, and you can create as many as possible. Okay, you have to simply click on this, the add direct link, to create another one. You can see it has been created already for today. And all you need to do is simply, what you have to observe this: if you click on this copy link, then you come to this section, you can easily paste it here. You can see the link here. That is for Monetag, and we're still gonna come to that. Okay, then we are done with Monetag. Then the next thing you're going to do right now is simply do the same thing you did here for Adsterra. All right, so you have to simply click on this website. If you click on this website section, it is going to take you to this section where you can easily click on this add website, then add your website, and also select the category. Then the next thing you're going to do right now is simply come to this section, create direct link. Okay, all right, so you have to simply click on this create direct link. Okay, once you click on this, it's going to create direct links for you. So once you have all of this set up, the next thing you're going to do right now is simply go ahead and set up your website. Okay, so if your website is already set up, then you have to make sure you start promoting as soon as possible. Okay, and this very training is divided into 2 segments. Okay, so the first strategy is to use the display ad network. Okay, you want to simply use the display ad, and the second strategy is to use the direct link. Okay, so remember, we have already talked about the best ad network for your paid ad. Okay, and we have already selected Facebook Meta ad. Okay, the next thing we're going to do right now is simply fund our Facebook account. We have to fund our Facebook account to begin promotion. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do right now is simply come over to your Facebook, and this is our Facebook right now, and we're going to simply fund this very account. Okay, so for you to do that, click on this, then click on billing and payment. Remember, we've already created your account already, so you have to make sure you follow this carefully. Allow it to load. Okay, so this is what we have now. We're going to simply click on this add fund. Okay, we're going to simply click on add fund. Then you're going to simply select how much you want to deposit here. Okay, so let's say we want to go for 10,000. This is not my main ad manager that I used to run my sponsored ad. Okay, so I'm just using this so that this is going to appear like a new account for you, so that you won't get confused about how to do all of this. Okay, all right, so you can easily decide to go ahead and add either 10,000 naira, okay, or more. Okay, just want to use this and show you how you can deposit your money in your account. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is simply add the amount you want to select. Then you click on this, either pay with your card, or you select naira, or you select another available payment option. Okay, so if you click on this next button, okay, so this is not really loading, so we're going to simply use the pay you. Let's select pay you, then click next. So they said here review your payments. So they said add 10,000 naira to your prepared balance. So we're going to simply click on this confirm button. Then you click on open naira payment with MasterCard Visa. Okay, then you click on this continue button. All right, so right now we're going to simply add our card details. Remember, you need to add your card details. Okay, so remember, you can easily use your either your USD bank account, or you can use your Naira bank account, or you can easily use virtual card. Okay, so I'm going to simply use my main bank account, my Naira account, to show you how to fund your wallet right now. All right, so I'm going to simply add the card number, the card holder name, then the date, the year, and also click on this payment. All right, then you click on pay 10,000. Just allow it to load. They're going to send the verification to your mobile phone, so you can easily verify it. Okay, so I'm going to simply accept the OTP. Let's select this one. Let's continue with the token. Then they said they've already sent it out to me. Then I'm waiting for it on my mobile phone. All right, so let's wait. Okay, the code is here now. So we have to add the code. Then you click on submit. Alright, transaction was successful. You can see it right there on your screen. Okay, let's just allow it to redirect us back to the account section. You can see fund has been added. All right, so this is how to add your fund to your add account. Okay, so this is going to work for you no matter the type of card you're using. So once you're done with that, click on this done button, then refresh this page. You can see the amount has been added to our account. Okay, this is how you can easily add your fund to your wallet. Okay, so the next section, we're going to simply move over to how the best add format for your arbitrage. Right, so remember, we've already set up our account on all of these various platforms, and we've already added our balance to this. Okay, we're going to use direct link first before any other. All right, so what we're going to do right now is simply head over to our direct link section. All right, so this is it, and we are not going to simply promote this direct link the way it is. We need a landing page. We also need offer. All right, I don't want this course to be a long course because most people might not be able to watch down to the very end. Okay, so I'm going to simply be breaking it into 4 simple segments. All right, so this is where I'm going to simply call this particular one, so that I'm going to simply make another video on how to build a landing page that converts. Okay, with the offers, I'm going to show you how to add the offers. I'm going to show you how to run the campaign itself. All right, you have to make sure you stick to the very end of this very class because it's going to simply be massive. All right, so you need to do is simply go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to this video channel, and turn on the bell notification icon so that whenever I upload the next video, you're going to be the first to be notified. Okay, just make sure you watch the video which I've already made on the best paid traffic method that can actually convert for you. Right, just make sure you watch the video showing your screen right now and wait for the next segment. See you in the next video, guys.